Hi, beautiful souls. Christina here from Kamona Therapy, where we use rituals to process life for healing and personal growth. So welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share something that is very incredibly close to my heart. Not long ago, I was guided to purchase a beautiful Archangel Oracle deck by Kyle Gray. And I didn't know why at the time, but as soon as I brought it into my space and began pulling cards, they came forward. The angels came forward, loud, clear, and present. And the archangel who's shown up again and again for me, and I knew I had to share this, is Archangel Michael. So if you're an empath and you're highly sensitive and you're feeling confused, lost, or overwhelmed by thoughts and feelings that don't even feel like yours, I want you to know this, okay? You're not crazy. You're not broken. You're going through a spiritual acceleration. So I want you to see that card right there. This was the card that I pulled. So who is Archangel Michael? He is a male energy, and he is the warrior of light. Okay, he is the protector of souls and the commander of heaven's legions. Michael's name means who is like God, and he is here to bring clarity, courage, and energetic protection to those walking a spiritual path. So if you're watching this, you're on a spiritual path, especially an empath like you. All right. He works with a powerful blue ray of light, and his sword is symbolic of truth. So when you feel foggy, invaded by external energy, or unsure of your next step, he's the one to call. I call on him all the time. He's here to cut cords to anything draining your life force, to shield you from energies that aren't yours, and to help you walk confidently in your truth. Again, show you Michael. All right. So you might be experiencing spiritual upgrades right now. If you're picking up on things, that means you're shedding old energies. There's a lot of people picking up on things. You're releasing ancestral burdens, and you're awakening to a higher consciousness. And it can feel heavy. I've felt this way. It can feel confusing, and it can even feel isolating. So you may feel emotions that aren't yours, thoughts that seem random or dark. That's not your imagination. It's your sensitivity tuning into the collective. And it's time to protect your light. All right. I had to share this message this week because he keeps coming forward, not just for myself, but for the collective. So here's an invocation that you can say to yourself. All right. So you're going to place your hand over your heart. You can do it with me right now. Take a deep breath. And now say, Archangel Michael, surround me now in your brilliant blue light. Protect me from all energies that do not serve my highest good. Cut cords to fear, confusion, and external attachments. Guide me back to my truth, my center, and my light. Help me walk forward with clarity, confidence, and peace. I am safe. I am supported. I am never alone. Amen. And so it is. How did that feel? Take a moment to put it in the comments below. And if this message spoke to your soul, drop a heart in the comments to let others know that they're not alone either, because we truly never are, even when we feel that way. And if you want more rituals, guidance, and spiritual tools just like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with a fellow empath who needs to hear this today. All right? You are so loved. I cannot stress that enough. You are divinely protected, and your light is needed now more than ever. All right. So until next time, keep processing life one ritual at a time. Let's take a quiet moment, shall we? Namaste. Much love. I'll see you next week.